I forgot to run the water and flush the toilet, so I came back to do that. I've got all 2 bathroom sinks and the kitchen sink running, and I'll flush the toilet. Did not affect anything as far as the water pressure. Here's the kitchen sink. And here is the guest bathroom. Alright. That's the hot water. Alright, thanks.